Hey everyone, welcome back in our English learning journey. Today I want to share with you my procrastination efforts. I do sleep whole the day long and I did not practice and it make me giving. It was giving me so much boredom about recording myself and speaking for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Today is Friday and I just procrastinate all the day long to record myself and to do any practice. Today is my day 20 and I am on 100 days challenge. But guys, I am at that phase where I can do it, I can pursue it for 100 days or I can left it behind. And I feel very boredom. And I am telling you this because after getting success, it seems like everything is easy successful for successful people, but successful people's hard works and their boredom towards success we could not see. But this is the evidence where I am accepting all the boredoms because I am just a middle class girl, and I am learning new things to break my middle class status. I do not deserve to be here because I have big dreams since my childhood. So, if I dare to dream big, I can dare to achieve the big dreams with my consistency and hard work. If I want be successful in my life, so only I am the owner of my big dreams because the only one is I am that can help myself to dream big and achieve big. Nobody could help me. Nobody could help me but me. So guys, if you are just facing boredom in the road of success, so do not let the boredom and undisciplined life to make you inconsistent and to push you back on your comfort zone, because while we are in our comfort zone, we could not achieve our dreams, and we have to live the laziest life, and we could not get the inner peace and hold the lifelong. We may regret if we do not find our dream success, because we are not the people to deserve the hell what we are doing now. We deserve better life. We deserve successful life, wealthy life. With our hard work and consistency, we can achieve it. Only 1 year hard work and consistency and discipline may bring and change our whole bloodline lives. So guys, do not irregular your video recording and do not left your practice behind. No matter what are you practicing, but do practice on regular basis. And if you want to learn new things and you enjoy the process of learning new things, guys, just learn new things, because learning is the therapy to make your mind on the right path. If your mind got blank without any purpose in life, you might be on the bad road, or you might be on the hands of bad people, and you might waste your life by doing gossiping about others. So do not waste your life and just enjoy the process to be successful. And if you guys are just learning English, want learn English, and you are procrastinating as I am, as if you are procrastinating learning speaking English as me, do not procrastinate anymore and just start a little, but do start for 1 or 2 minutes daily practice and increase time for 1 or 5 to 10 seconds every day. And in the month ends, you might practice for 10 minutes. So guys, if you do not enjoy practicing and you get boredom to speak and record yourself for 10 minutes, do it at least for 2 minutes and increase your time after 30 days. Because if we do any work with consistency, after some time it gives us pleasure and hope to do the right thing. So guys, if you are enjoying learning with me and if you want to learn with me, just thank you for having me, and we are together for doing the same thing and to be a native English speaker and a public speaker. Welcome guys, and thank you for having me again.